So the paint on the bike is dry, so we can start final assembly. Painted the engine risers too, so the torque converter will fit. We need to put the key in place, we need to put the brake caliper in place. Yeah, next clip now. Forgot to film most of this, but have the engine on, throttle hooked up, kill switch hooked up. I've put the kill switch in the middle here. Throttle is an old one off a three-wheeler, like a Honda three-wheeler. Tires are on, spin nicely. Have the torque converter cover to put on. The rack is currently just taped on, but this will be on better in some point soon. Brakes are on. The only thing left to do is chain and cover for the torque converter. Okay, so we have the trike. We've just done our first test fire. We didn't film it in case anything crazy happened, like it taking off or something, in case we needed to grab any safety equipment. But now it is dark out, so in the morning you will see part of the second test ride. I'm going to test it now, but you can't really film in the dark because cameras don't work all too well. Next morning now. So it is the next morning, as you can tell, it clears sky somewhat. This is the Minitrike done, or 90% done. We're putting a rear rack on it, still a bigger one, but this is it in a drivable state right now. We've got the headlight is currently not hooked up. Here's the rear end of this. There's the torque converter. Yeah, now some driving footage. So now I'm going to start the vehicle, put the choke on. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Sorry it's a little shorter than the rest of the videos in the series. Ran out of time before I had to get this video uploaded. That's why there's no GoPro footage in this segment, like I said there would be at the end. There will be in part 4 of the series GoPro footage, as well as a top speed run. And in part 4 we will also install the old four-wheeler rack that I had that was taped on. Will be properly installed, as well as the support for the back, because we had to add a cross member to add some strength.
Yeah, so thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.